This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today, and back from a very long vacation. And today's Nerf Blaster review will be on the Nerf Fortnite HC-E. So, here's the box. This is what it looks like. And just like instructions on how it functions. It's pretty straightforward. It's just a pistol. There's no batteries, no flywheels, so it's essentially you pull this and then pull the trigger and then you're done. As far as the basic mechanics of the blaster goes. Now, I've had this blaster for a couple of months and forgot to review it, and now I'm doing it now. And just going over the overview of this blaster, as far as gripping it, is very uncomfortable because I have massive hands, and the whole grip here is kinda tiny. I'll just say that. The trigger feels nice, but my finger will, like, every now and then, will get jammed in this little slot here. And comes with 3 mega darts with the Fortnite color scheme. As far as the performance of the blaster goes, I forgot how well this shoots. I can imagine this is actually quite powerful. So for the Fortnite blaster, Nerf and Fortnite have been, I guess, collabing a little bit, and they have now a shotgun, they have a pistol, they have an SMG, they have a I think it's like an AC-L or something, some weird number of weird combination of letters. That makes it into an assault rifle, fully automatic, and I heard it had problems. Anyway, getting back to the HC-E, this particular Fortnite blaster, I picked this up for about $14.99, I believe, at Walmart. And the performance is pretty well and pretty good. It has tremendous amount of firepower for a tiny little pistol, and honestly, it looks like it has like a dozen or so screws that you can take apart, probably modify. But I'm here to just review it. So, the ammo capacity, it comes with 3 darts, but you can only fit 1 at a time. The rate of fire is based on how fast you can put this dart in, and then pull this, and then shoot. The reloading process is very simple, and anyone can do it, just by simply picking it up and doing common sense. I would say the amount of time it takes to reload one of these, so if I were to just do that. Alright, so it takes about 5 seconds. It takes 5 seconds to pretty much reload this blaster and have it ready to go for the next shot. It does feature a front sight, but that's about it. Iron sights, my bad. Front iron sights, but no back sight. It's really just a cartoonish blaster of some sort. There's no really any key features other than it shoots mega darts, which do better performance than the elites by stock form. I guess the only cool thing about this blaster is just the slide, and that's about it. You can just pretend like you have like a Desert Eagle and whatnot, but aside from that, that's really all you can do with this blaster. It makes it a really good, I don't know, powerhouse, not powerhouse, I don't know, it's just a pretty good starter blaster for virtually anyone who wants to pick it up. Modding potential, I have no idea if this has any modding potential. You could probably take out the air restrictor. You could probably get away with the air restrictor, maybe throw in some PVC, but aside from that, this is pretty basic. Let's see, so what else did I do in other reviews? Rate of fire. Rate of fire is pretty much how fast you can load this thing and then shoot, based on how much ammo you have left. But seeing that this blaster only came with 3 darts, although they're mega, it doesn't make, I don't know, it kind of makes sense that maybe they threw an extra dart that would make it better, but 3 darts seems pretty reasonable, I guess. Now, I gotta say, this... I like the color schemes, but I still don't like Fortnite. If that's relevant. What else? The accuracy. I should probably test that. Alright, so for accuracy, I'm gonna aim for the chandelier part. That's probably the dumbest idea I could ever think of, but... Oh, missed. Came close. And... Lemon. Oh, that missed. Like with any Mega Nerf blaster, you know, sometimes the Mega Darts can swerve at the last second when there's even the slightest wind resistance. What if I turn off the fan? Got it. Alright, I gotta think of something better to shoot at, but anyway, the point being is this blaster, this blaster's really good for just starter blasters. But as far as performance, the performance is actually pretty good too. The range, I can imagine, could go for a while, just stock form. If you could modify it, that would be even better. So, I feel like the trigger has that sticky feeling. But aside, that might be the only con I can see. The accuracy... Well, you just witnessed the accuracy. I missed 2 shots, and I got the third one on the I got 1 hit on the chandelier part on the very last shot from probably about a good 10-15 feet away. Which I guess is pathetic and also pretty interesting. But, pretty much, as far as this blaster goes, this is a pretty decent blaster. Has like amazing firepower, but it comes with very little ammo. That's the thing I can't really get over as much. Well, that's about it. This Fortnite pistol, I'd probably give this, if someone were to buy this for like a child or for upcoming Nerf war because they have no other blasters, this is probably a good recommendation. Although, like I said before, I absolutely despise Fortnite. It's a cartoonish game. I don't like it. But I do like their blasters. So I'll review the blasters for as long as I can. Yeah, that's about it. So, the score on this, I'd probably give this, let's go with 9 out of 10. Yeah, 9 out of 10. Because the firepower coming out of this blaster is pretty powerful. I can imagine the ranges are going to be pretty impressive. Oh, that was the other thing I didn't test, the bounce back test I had. So bounce back, so if I stand here, I just hit, well, I lost that one. Yeah, pretty powerful. So, aside from it didn't come with hardly enough ammo, still, this is I gotta say, this is a pretty good pistol for starting out, kind of thing, without having to go into like a I don't know, like something complicated like a modulus or something classic like a long shot, where you have to figure out which darts go to which blaster and without jamming and ruining the blaster. But aside from that, I give this 9 out of 10, just basically because it's pretty powerful blaster, just in all aspects. The only thing I didn't like was the fact that it only came with 3 darts. I wish it came with 4 or 5. At least give you a little bit more ammo. But that's Nerf for you. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video, understood the video. This is the Nerf Fortnite Blaster HC-E. And I am done with this review. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys understood the video, enjoyed the video. Hope you guys Have a great day, night, life, and everything else, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.